Yeah, okay, the
phone number. Then I don't get
yeah, okay, my bad. No, it's on him, so
here.
yeah, let's put the phone number on there, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, if you are into the sports, which is coming up soon, baseball, man, is kicking right now. This is the time to get in on it. Get in on it.
Kids event tickets. It's a good charity.
Yeah, kids event tickets. Let's see.
Phone number's right on there. Call him, and we can do Cash App, Zelle, Venmo. And the drawing is on August 24th.
You selling tickets?
For what?
For the biscuits?
No, I do that, but this is for a charity raffle.
Yeah, this is a charity raffle.
And they're giving $5,000.
Yes, call.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So
And you can get into $5,000. What the heck?
I just got the tickets today.
Look at it boiled
My
up.
way of giving back.
Yeah.
So you're selling tickets?
Yeah, it's a raffle.
Okay, it's a raffle.
So it's $20, but you get 2 bills tickets for any home game or away game this year.
Yeah.
2 savers, home and away. 2 bandits, home and away.
Yeah.
2 bills, home and away.
And they're both 2 away.
Nights hotel for free. $5,000.
If you win.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like $20.
Good.
Yeah, actually, my one customer 2 years ago, he won the trip to London.
Oh, did they? One of his dudes 2 years ago won the trip to London. Dual fight.
It's way, and the same person doesn't have. You can sell the rooms, you can sell the tickets, or whatever.
Oh, and if you win, you can sell the rooms to sell the
You
tickets.
happen to know a guy that sells tickets all the time. Me.
Yeah.
So. Okay. No, we won't have it until like middle of August. The drawing is August.
August what?
And we do.
Yeah.
Zelle, Cash App, or cash.
Does everything.
And
Home
you
work.
get 5,000 cash.
Yeah.
The only catch to it, you got to pay for
Out here swinging tickets. Only on King Lot 2025 where you get the ticket messed up. Boom. Boom, 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 baby. Here comes the booms. Here comes the booms. Aw, shit. What happened to the booms?
Where's the other?
Right there.
Ed's right there.
Shell, did you bring?
Hey, where's the other?
I don't know, honestly.
She had to put on the
Jaden wants to start his show. It's 9 o'clock. My time.
Okay, here comes the show. Here comes the show.
It's 9 o'clock.
Hey. You got me a little cup of that? Yeah. Make sure you put ice in it for me, please. Thank you. Boom, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here goes the boom. Here goes the boom. Boom, this is Jaden's show. Pyro Jr. What up, pimp? What up, player? Happy 4th, everybody. Happy 4th. Hey, Paul. How's everybody? Yeah, how's everybody? Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn.
Here you go, because I'm a terrible salesman.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let it begin. Happy 4th, happy 4th. Happy 4th.